Can a rupees 5,000 per month SIP make you rich? Let's check that out. So, if you start an SIP of rupees 5,000 at the age of 25, earning interest of 10% per annum, then by age 30, you have 5 lakhs. By the time you are 35, that goes up to rupees 12 lakhs, and when you are 40, that becomes rupees 23.7 lakhs. And this is when it starts to become absolutely crazy. By the age 45, you have almost 42.9 lakhs. And by age 50, you will have rupees 74.5 lakhs. Your investments grow exponentially because of the magic of compound interest. Because when you are 50 and have rupees 74.5 lakhs, then 1 year of 10% returns will increase that to rupees 83 lakhs. So, when you are 55, you would have rupees 1.26 crores, and at 60 by retirement, you would have rupees 2.12 crores. Now, in case you are wondering, that would be enough to draw about rupees 60,000 per month adjusted for inflation during retirement till the age of 95. Now, obviously, returns in the stock market are not guaranteed. But India's Sensex has generated over 40 years an annual return of 15.3%. So, share this if you liked it and follow Finverse for more such content.